What if I told you there's a technology that ensures transparency, security, and decentralization all at once? Welcome to blockchain. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Let's dive into the fundamentals of blockchain technology. So, what is blockchain? Think of it as a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. Unlike traditional databases controlled by a central authority, blockchain is immutable, transparent, and decentralized. Each transaction is recorded in a block, and once verified it is added to a chain, hence, the name blockchain. Let's talk about some key features. Blockchain is decentralized. No single entity controls the system. It's immutable. Once data is recorded, it cannot be altered. It's transparent. Anyone in the network can verify transactions. And it's secure, using cryptographic hashing for protection. Pretty neat, right? So how does a blockchain transaction actually work? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. First, a transaction occurs. A user initiates a transaction like sending cryptocurrency, then the network of computers, called nodes, verifies the transaction. Next, verified transactions are grouped into a new block. Finally, once confirmed, the new block is linked to the previous one using cryptographic hashing. Each block contains a unique digital fingerprint called a hash. If someone tries to tamper with a past block, its hash changes, breaking the entire chain, making blockchain extremely secure. Now let's explore some key components that make blockchain work. Blocks store a list of transactions, a timestamp, and a unique hash. Hashing converts data into a fixed-length code. Decentralization means no single entity has control. It's distributed across a network. And consensus mechanisms are protocols that ensure transactions are valid, like proof of work and proof of stake. These concepts work together to make blockchain the robust technology it is today. But blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies. It powers many industries. In finance, it enables secure, transparent transactions in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In supply chain management, it tracks product movement with an immutable ledger. In healthcare, it stores medical records securely and privately. And in voting systems, it provides a tamper-proof election process. The applications are truly endless. Here are some fun facts about blockchain technology. Did you know? Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin and blockchain, remains anonymous. The Bitcoin blockchain has never been hacked since its launch in 2009, and blockchain technology could prevent $1.5 trillion in fraud annually in global trade. Mind-blowing, right? Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that's transforming industries worldwide. Whether it's finance, healthcare, or supply chain management, the possibilities are endless. What are your thoughts on blockchain? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.